In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually log records such as calls, notes, emails, or meetings in HubSpot. Now, before we dive in, make sure you're logged into your HubSpot account. It's important because these steps are specific to your personal dashboard and will allow you to track all your customer interactions efficiently. Once you're logged in, start by navigating to the trial guide. This is a helpful resource where you'll find everything you need to get started, especially if you're looking to kick off your form building process. It's quite handy and often underutilized, so be sure to explore it when you have the chance. Now, let's proceed to your homepage. Here, you'll want to find and click on the CRM section. CRM, or Customer Relationship Management, is where all the magic happens. It's the heart of communicating effectively with your contacts. Once you click on CRM, select the Contacts option. This will bring up a list of all your existing contacts. Scrolling through your contact list, click on the specific contact for whom you wish to log information. This could be a recent call you had, a meeting you just attended, or an important note you want to attach to their record. Once you've chosen the contact, click on More. This is where you have the option to manually log various types of interactions. On this menu, you'll find options to manually log a call, a note, an email, or even a meeting. Depending on what you wish to log, select the appropriate option. For example, if you're logging a call, you'll note the details like the date, time, and a brief description of the call's content. This kind of detailed tracking is incredibly beneficial for keeping your communication organized and up to date. Similarly, if it's a note you want to log, go ahead and type out any thoughts or observations you'd like to remember about your interactions with that contact. When it comes to emails, simply log the subject and any pertinent details that would aid future reference. Meetings work the same way. Record the meeting time, participants, and the key points discussed. And there you have it. Manually logging your interactions this way helps you maintain a detailed and organized account of all communications, ensuring you never miss a beat when it comes to managing your contact relationships. Don't forget, the more detailed and timely your logs are, the more they will serve you in fostering strong customer relationships in the long run. Thanks for tuning in and happy logging.